How to Sunwave KYC Step 2 on Twitter X. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to Sunwave KYC on Twitter X to increase your income. So, that can be completed by very simple steps. First, you have to click on the button, then click it a long click again. Then, this page will appear like this. So basically, what you need to do now is to go to the link in the first step, which will take you to X Twitter like that on the Sunwaves account. Then, you have to come back to the app, copy the exact same message they put in step 2, and then go back to X again and post it. After that, you have to copy the link of your post, then go back to Sunwave again. You click next, then paste the link of your post in the third step. Then, you have to wait for 2 minutes. Once it's verified, click continue, and you're done.